standing in the ruins of the weight upon my soul. This storm is bigger than my mind can comprehend, but I'm learning you're my portion, not my strength at the end. I've been trying to be the hero of my story, holding every shattered piece in my two hands, telling everybody, yeah, I'm fine, don't worry, breaking on the inside where nobody understands.
I can't carry this mountain, I can't calm this sea.